want to learn what every sign means.
I want to carry it by myself.
The radio connection is clear. Never leave the marked path.
One water drop sounds much louder in this cave.
Wow, it's so beautiful up here.
Its long stone head is resting beside the wall. The big door behind us is starting to move. We cannot go back through that door.
Is there another safe route out of the cave?
Rainwater is entering through cracks above us.
There you go. You are doing great.
Mom, I cannot see anything.
It is a solid wall.
I can feel some fresh air on this side. I can see the cave opening now.
I can see your lights. Our cave tour starts at 10 o'clock. I have all 4 tickets, and the visitor center asks us to arrive early. I'll keep the tickets in this inside pocket. They will stay dry and safe during the trip.
We have water, tissues, and a small supply bag. I want everything to be easy to find inside the cave.
The cave will be cool and wet. These light jackets will help us stay warm and comfortable.
Look at this underground lake. The map also has arrows and special symbols inside the cave. I want to learn what every sign means. Maybe I can help read the arrows during our tour.
This flashlight is small, but the light is very bright. I want to carry it by myself.
Your flashlight goes in this outside pocket. You can reach it quickly, but please keep the zipper closed.
The backup flashlight is working well. I'll carry it in case one of our other lights stops working.
Before we leave, check your flashlight and your bag. We should make sure nothing important is missing.
My flashlight is in my bag, and my jacket is zipped. I am ready for the cave adventure.
Please check your seatbelts before we move. We can start the trip when everyone is safely buckled in.
My seatbelt is locked, Dad. I am sitting safely and keeping my bag beside me.
Here we go, guys!
That sign has the same cave symbol as the map. I think we are getting close to the visitor center.
We are here. Please stay beside us while we take the bags and walk to the visitor center.
Wow, look at this map! Are we going inside there?
We certainly are, Emily.
Let's go explore.
Your jacket is already on, but I'll close it a little more. The air inside the cave may feel cold.
The tickets are safe, and we have the supply bag. Let's stay together while we walk inside.
Look, there it is! Wow! We're taking the red route. The cave has a main path and an emergency route. This sign has a little helmet. I want to remember what these symbols mean. Does it show a safe path for visitors?
Good morning. I'm Lucy, your cave guide today. I will check your equipment before we enter the cave.
Here are our 4 tickets. We arrived early, and everyone has brought a personal flashlight.
John, Sarah, Michael, and Emily are all on my list. We have 4 family members in this group. Your helmet fits well, John. The helmet feels comfortable now. Keep the strap under your chin and do not loosen it inside the cave. I'll keep it secure and make sure the children do the same.
My helmet light is working. I will point it at the path and not into anyone's eyes. My helmet does not move when I look down. I will keep it on until Lucy says we are finished.
Every flashlight is working, including John's backup light. Please keep them where you can reach them quickly. The radio connection is clear. The safety team can contact us if the weather or water level changes. This is our main path, and this is the emergency route. We will only change routes if safety requires it. First, never leave the marked path. The arrows and visitor symbols show us where it is safe to walk. Second, do not touch the stalactites. They are beautiful, but even a small touch can damage their natural surface. Third, do not separate from the group. Stay close, listen carefully, and tell me if you notice any problem.
We understand the rules. We will follow the marked path, protect the cave, and stay together during the whole tour.
I will check the arrow and the helmet symbol together. I do not want to follow an incomplete sign. The cave looks dark, but I will stay close to Mom and listen carefully to Lucy.
Welcome to the big cave, everyone. Please remember to stay on the marked path.
The water here is so cool and clear. Wow.
It sparkles.
Just be sure to watch your step along the railing.
The air feels cool and wet in here. I can hear every drop of water echo around us.
One water drop sounds much louder in this cave. The rock walls send the sound back to us.
Look at that. Wow, it's so beautiful up here. Amazing. So many sparkly drops. These formations grow very slowly from mineral-rich water. Please enjoy their beauty without touching them.
That tiny drop carries minerals through the cave. I will keep my hands back and only watch it. That rock looks like a sleeping dragon. Its long stone head is resting beside the wall.
You noticed a very interesting shape, Emily. Keep looking carefully, but remember to stay behind the rail.
Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. What was that? Just a glitch in the system. Let's keep moving.
The safety team reports heavy rain outside. Please remain here while I check whether our route is still clear. Keep back! John, Sarah, everyone stay put now!
Mom, what is that sound? The big door behind us is starting to move.
Stay beside me, Emily. We are safe with Lucy, so please stand still and listen to her instructions.
The safety door is closed, so we cannot return to the main entrance. Is there another safe route out of the cave?
The door closed because rainwater is entering a lower part of the cave. We will not force it open. We will use the emergency route.
Check the signs and stay together. We will follow Lucy, move carefully, and make sure no one leaves the group.
We cannot go back through that door. I will stay with everyone and watch the emergency signs carefully.
The emergency route begins on the right. It rises above the lower cave, so we will use it to avoid the water.
We will take the emergency route up this way. Don't worry, it is a perfectly safe and easy
Wow,
climb.
this is like a real adventure.
Please stay between Dad and me. Walk slowly, keep your hands free, and do not stop without telling us.
Keep your headlamps on the path. We're almost there. I see the junction, Michael. Emily, stay close.
Stop behind the line. Water is moving across the main path, and I need to check the current before we continue.
The water is moving very fast. Can I stand a little closer so I can see how deep it is?
No, Michael. Stay behind the line. Moving water can be deeper and stronger than it looks from here.
Is the water still rising, Lucy? I can see it covering more of the lower stones.
Rainwater is entering through cracks above us. The level may rise, so the main path is not safe to use.
The main path is flooded, and the current is too strong. We should not step into water when we cannot see the ground.
We must take the higher path. Follow my steps, hold the rail where it is available, and keep some space between each person.
This step is dry and firm. Put your foot where I point and do not rush across the wet edge.
Step right on the dry spots, Michael. There you go. You are doing great.
Everyone, stay calm. Grab your flashlights. The lights are becoming unstable. Please stand still, keep your hands near your flashlights, and wait for my instruction.
Mom, I cannot see anything. I am standing still, but please tell me that you are close to me. I was going to take one small step, but I cannot see the ground. I will stop here.
Everyone, please stand still. Do not move until we have light and can see the path clearly again.
My helmet light is on. Keep standing where you are while I check the ground around each person.
The backup flashlight is working. I will shine it at the floor so everyone can see where they are standing.
Both children's flashlights are working. Keep the beams low and do not shine them into anyone else's eyes.
Look at my shadow, it's huge.
Whoa, it goes all the way to the top.
Dad, your shadow looks like a giant cave guard. It is much taller than you and almost reaches the ceiling. The giant shadow is funny, not scary. I feel better now, and I can see the path again.
The path is clear again. Keep your lights pointed down, stay close together, and follow me into the next chamber.
Please stay quiet and walk slowly. The bats are resting, and we should not disturb them.
There are so many bats above us. I will stay quiet and keep walking beside Mom.
Look at them all! Wow! They're reacting to the drip.
Keep your heads down and stand on the right side of the path. Do not run or wave your hands.
Stay low beside me, Emily. The bats are only flying past us, and they will be gone soon. The bats are flying behind us now. I turned to watch them, and I am not sure which way we were facing. Wait, we are facing the wrong way. The bright arrow points behind us, so our route continues in the other direction.
Michael is right. The arrow points toward the emergency route, so we need to turn around and continue that way.
Check the signs and stay together. When something surprises us, we should stop and confirm the direction before moving.
I found blue marks on the wall. They look like route signs, so I think we should follow this path.
These marks are old and do not show the full visitor symbol. We will move slowly and check the path carefully.
It is a solid wall.
Are we lost, Mommy?
I am sure there is another way.
This path is a dead end. I thought the blue paint showed our route, but I followed the wrong mark.
It is okay to make a mistake when you admit it. Now let's check the complete symbol before choosing another path.
The visitor sign has a white arrow, a bright border, and a helmet symbol. This blue mark does not have them.
Emily is correct. The blue paint is an old maintenance mark for workers, not an emergency sign for visitors.
I'm sorry. I only checked the color and did not look for the full symbol. I will be more careful now. This sign has the white arrow, the bright border, and the helmet symbol. This is the correct visitor route.
You checked every part of the symbol this time. The sign is correct, and the emergency route continues to the right.
Everyone, watch your step here. Please stop here. The water level is higher than normal, and it is covering part of the direction sign.
The visible part looks as if it points left. However, the water is hiding the end, so I cannot be completely sure.
We should not guess from only one part of the sign. I made that mistake before, so we need more information. Wait, I can see the hidden part in the water. The reflection may show us which way the arrow really turns. I will hold the light still. The reflection is becoming clearer, and now we can see the complete shape. The arrow does not go left. It curves around and points to the right toward the emergency exit.
Emily read the reflection correctly. The map confirms that the emergency route continues along the right side of the lake. No hidden passages here. We've checked everywhere.
The map says the exit should be near this spot.
but the rock looks like a solid wall. We must check again.
I can feel some fresh air on this side. It is coming from a narrow space beside the rock. The air is coming through that gap. There may be an open path behind the large rock. There is light behind the rock. I can see it shining on another wall beyond the gap.
There is a narrow path around the right side of the rock. We found the correct way to the emergency exit.
Lucy, report to base.
The water on the main path is still rising. We need to keep moving, but the rocks ahead are slippery, so no one should run.
Step where my light is pointing. Keep one hand near the wall, move slowly, and avoid the wet edge.
This arrow has the full visitor symbol, and it points forward. I checked every part before choosing the direction. I can see the cave opening now. The daylight is getting brighter, and I can hear someone calling outside.
Lucy, I can see your lights. Keep following the marked path. The exit is only a short distance ahead.
Watch your step, kids.
Lucy, John, Sarah, Michael, and Emily are all safely outside. Everyone on the list has reached the exit.
I am sorry I led everyone toward the old paint marks. I learned to check the full symbol before choosing a path.
Michael corrected his mistake, and Emily noticed the reflection and fresh air. Your family stayed together and followed every safety instruction.
Before you follow that blue sign, Michael, does it have a helmet symbol?